This one readily available simple food will change your entire digestive system. And for those of you who suffer from IBS, this is truly for you. Your digestive system, it contains 80% of your immune cells. And this is huge. 80% of the immune cells that keep you healthy and prevent disease are found in your gut. So it's a no-brainer, guys. Feed your gut with the right food and supplements, and you will see your health radically improve. Your digestive system will be thanking you. You will feel amazing. And this incredible food is sauerkraut, which is cabbage. It's fermented cabbage. Okay, so many of us are suffering in silence. Our belly is bloated, feeling full of gas, feeling uncomfortable. Our clothes are tight, and you kind of feel fat. You want to get on with your day, you want to feel good, but your discomfort makes you feel really miserable and grumpy. Such a simple solution. It's crazy, guys. Just get yourself a supply of sauerkraut. Now, you don't have to make it. It's not expensive. Even this organic version here is only a few dollars. Now, it's best to get the raw unpasteurized sauerkraut, which means the probiotics are alive and they're active. So what are probiotics? Well, these are basically living microorganisms that assist in the digestion and the absorption of nutrients so they can go into your blood faster. So when you eat the sauerkraut, you're adding an abundance of really great bacteria to your gut so it can be super, super efficient. Now, apart from the gut-friendly bacteria it contains, it's naturally loaded with potassium for super healthy joints, to protect your heart. It's essential to maintain your blood pressure too. It also contains calcium for healthy bones, healthy heart, muscle function, and vitamin K2, which is now being shown to prevent calcium deposits in the arteries. But overall, sauerkraut is a gift to our digestive systems. And the bottom line is, if your digestive system is getting what it needs to function really well, then your entire body gets the full benefit. So just open up a jar. I'm going to do it now. Open up a jar of sauerkraut and eat a few mouthfuls. Give your gut the gift of fermented food. In another video of mine, I talked about digestive enzyme supplements, and they're amazing. And if you're super uncomfortable, go ahead and take a couple of digestive enzymes with a glass of water to speed up the process of super digestion and absorption. Now, guys, if you found, I'm going to get back to this in a sec. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, post a question down in the comments below. I'll get back to you. So go and get you some sauerkraut and change your life. Enjoy. It's so good. My digestive system. I can hear it say, thank you.